City of Winona Finance and Personnel Committee, Monday, December 15, 2025. Would you please call the roll?
Alder Wood.
Here.
Alder DePula.
Here.
Mayor Moore.
Here. Okay. Did we have minutes?
There are no minutes.
Nope.
No
No.
minutes.
We did not, okay. Then we don't believe we have any appearances this evening. We have no unfinished business. Under new business, 6A, consideration of resolution 25-12-2850, requesting exemption from Dane County library tax. And I'm sure both of you know from previous years, this is something that we very typically do on an annual basis. So do I have a motion?
I'll move to approve.
Second.
Any discussion about this item?
Well, I see Ryan is
Yes.
on. I don't
Ryan,
know
would
if
you
he-
like to?
This thing is right.
Hello, Mayor. Hello, everyone. As Mayor Moore pointed out, this is something that we do every year. The Monona Public Library meets the standards that we are allowed to be exempted from the Dane County library tax. With this, then, the residents of Monona will not receive that tax on their bill, since we have a public library that serves the public.
Thank you. Any other questions or anything about this item?
Nope.
Nope.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Okay, motion carries.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ryan. That takes us to 6B, acceptance of the general fund accounts payable checks dated November 25 to December 11, 2025. Mark?
Yes, thanks. Sorry I couldn't be there. Still under the weather. But page 4, just kind of hit a couple things. I know it's kind of quick. Dell Computers, basically buy our computers at the end of the year.
Up.
We've got no sound for you, Mark.
We just, Mark, we lost you. I don't know if you can hear us.
He's twitching.
Sorry about that.
That's all right. Okay, now you're back.
Yeah. Page 7, Speedway Sand and Gravel, Kelly Place. This is the big stormwater project that was happening.
Yep.
Everything's pretty much all done. There's a little wrap up left on that, but we should be, it's kind of one of the last major bills. Page 9, Amazon. You kind of look at the descriptions, the general ledger accounts. You see anything that's 800, that's a donation account, like just the first couple of things. So they would have bought some from library would have bought some from Amazon through their donations accounts. A lot of times it's their books or things like that, other things. Page 11, custom trucks. In the 2025 capital, we purchased a boom truck. Finally came in, so that's the boom truck that was planned. Page 13, kind of just one thing, Jay and Brenham at the very bottom, the library HVAC repairs. So luckily we're starting to do that project right away next year. So that should take care of a lot of those extra repairs for the library. Not a ton. What kind of ones I marked offhand? Do you have any questions or concerns?
Any questions?
Just one. On page 14, there's a $1,300 repayment or overpayment credit for utility overpayment. The last name is Middleton. I was just wondering,
Yeah.
usually I see tax overpayments, but not utility.
A lot of times if it's somebody sold a house, a person will pay up front, and then the third party, the title company will pay, so sometimes it's like two payments made at once. This, a lot of times that's what happens. I assume this is probably one of those. I can look into it, but
That's
we
okay.
do have a lot of those that happen like that. Someone will pay, they're moving out, and then the title company will pay, or the owner will pay.
Okay, thanks.
Anything else? If not, I'll take a motion to approve the check.
Motion to accept the bills?
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those are accepted. Thank you, Mark. Do we have any other staff updates?
I don't know if Leo, if you're gonna give the staff update?
Yeah, actually, go ahead. I'll do it, Mark.
Okay.
So it is with a huge amount of sadness to say that we have accepted the resignation of Aline as our city clerk. It says not because she doesn't love the job in writ large, but she feels very strongly that she needs a break and has decided to step away from the position. So you will receive a posting. Posting's already gone out for a new clerk, and as of the end of last week. And Leah, do you want to share where we generally post it? I want to give a shout out to Leah as always, and to Mark and Neil as well for pulling together a job description and looking at compensation issues and all of that to pull together a posting quickly. She's given us a 30-day notice, and so, yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Mayor. Time
Yeah.
obviously was of the essence to get this job posted, especially if we have a primary election in February. So the position was posted on governmentjobs.com, which is integrated with our website on Friday, and it was also posted with the Wisconsin Municipal Clerks Association and the League of Wisconsin Municipalities.
No.
I think we have a closing date at the end of the year for applications, so.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions about that one? That's my primary update.
No.
Do you have any other updates?
I do not.
Okay. All right, with that, I'll take a motion to adjourn.
Motion to adjourn?
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
We are adjourned. Thank you.
Hey, Rachel.